These 5 random people with no prior experience have landed their first couple clients on Upwork in the last 2 weeks. It was really easy for them, and they've all got multiple messages, multiple book calls, and multiple clients. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they did it, and with that, you're going to figure out how you can do it too. So let's jump straight in. What's up guys? How's it going? Ryan here from Thailand. Obviously, if you don't know me already, I help people quit their 9-to-5 jobs through freelancing and Upwork. That's how I quit my 9-to-5 job. That's how many other people have quit their 9-to-5 job. So I'm just telling you what I do, and I just practice what I preach because I still do this to this day. I still run my own agency. I'm not just some guru talking about, hey, use Upwork. I still land clients on Upwork. And if you watch my last video, I went from 0 to 9.7K per month in 47 days. And I showed the entire thing, the whole system and whatnot. You can check that video out. But in this video, I want to show you how these people have landed their first couple clients. You've got Chen, who signed his first 2 clients in the last couple of weeks. You've got Kaz, who signed his first client in just a couple of weeks. You've got Haas, who's getting daily messages back and has signed another client because he already had clients, which is dope. You've got Paul and Samps that have booked 2 back-to-back calls, and they've been sending out 10 proposals per day, which is something I talk about in the free course, obviously. And then you've got somebody like Scott, who's constantly improving his service delivery with the current clients that he has, which is dope. So all these guys are getting results. Most of the information that they're using, guys, in full transparency, is from the free course. Like, that's why I dropped it there. That 2-hour free course is all the information that you need. So I'd suggest that you go and watch it if you haven't already. But yeah, let's jump straight into exactly what you need to do to land clients in the next 24 hours, to the next week, to 2 weeks, because all of these guys are doing it. This is not the fastest results I've ever seen from other students. I've seen people get results literally so fast. If you just send 10 proposals per day, this is all you really need to do. So let's jump in. I'm going to show you exactly what I would suggest you do in regards to landing your first couple clients on Upwork. And this is if you have no prior experience, by the way. So firstly, we're going to head over to upwork.com. As you can see at the moment, I've got 1 current offer, 2 invitations, and I've got about 6 messages, currently unread. So these are all potential clients that, want to work with me, right? Now, if you're watching this on, in November, I would suggest that you start going after some video editing clients. Because just like my last video, I edited that last video to prove to you guys that you can learn how to edit in literally 24 hours. And you can start taking on video editing clients that are going to pay you $50 to $100 per video. You know what I'm saying? So like, it's easy money if you just, spend 24 hours learning a skill. So what we're going to do, we're going to come on here, we're going to go video editing. Now, the thing is, you're going to want to naturally do the fixed price stuff and be like, yeah, I only want to work with clients with 500, 1K, 5K. Forget all that, okay? Get rid of that. And I just want you to scroll through, and we're looking fresh without using the filter section for jobs that are for Reels or YouTube videos. That's ideally what we want, okay? So let's try and see if we can find one. And I haven't looked today, so let's try and find one. Video editing for YouTube, social media posts, maybe we'd apply to this one. Social media clips, yeah. So this is one that we would apply to, right? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it as a tab. So on Mac, you just control whatever, or you can just right click it. You can't right click it on here, but or you can click it and go open new job. But if you got a Mac, just click, command and then right click. And remember guys, there's 125 different skills that you could be doing on Upwork. But video editing is one that's very popular at the moment, and it's an easy win. Like if you just want to get your first couple clients, this is what I would suggest that you do, okay? So you're going to find 10 of those per day, and you're going to apply to them. But for the purposes of the video, let's apply to this one. One little trick that I mentioned in the free course is scroll down and try and find the client's name. So if you go to the reviews, sometimes you can find the client's name. So I highly recommend Anthony. Let's see if we can find it. We can assume the guy's name is Anthony at this point, to be honest. But let's just keep going, see if we can find it again. Great working. Remember, the bottom one is to the freelancer, so that's from the client, right? Let's see, Anthony, yeah. So we can assume this guy's name is Anthony. So when we reach out to him, we're gonna reach out to him as Anthony. All we're gonna say in our message, and I've proven this, that this works, guys. This isn't just like hypothetical. Go and watch the last video. I went from 0 to 9.7K per month as a brand new video editing profile, right, in 47 days. And by the way, everyone's like, whoa, you're only doing 3-4K profit margin. Yeah, but if you're doing this yourself and you just do the work yourself, you're at 10K per month after 47 days. Less than 2 months, you're at 10K per month. So just keep that in mind, okay? So for the hourly rate, just put $15. Doesn't matter. Nobody gives a fuck about the hourly rate on Upwork. I'm just being straight up here. Cover letter, we're going to say, hey, Anthony, right? I would love to make you a free sample post. Let's see if he's got any information on his profile. Let's have a look at some of these. Let's see if we can maybe have a look and see what kind of videos or pictures or whatever he wants. Yeah, this is so easy. This can be done in Canva, or this can be done, you know, this can be done anywhere. It's so easy to do.
So many different ROI components.
Yeah, okay, perfect. So in the message, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say, since this is on LinkedIn, I would love to make some free samples for the LinkedIn posts. Actually, let's just say I would love to make some free sample videos for the for you. And then actually above this, I'm going to say, I checked out the LinkedIn. I don't know how you spell LinkedIn. Again, guys, you don't need to be an expert. You know what I mean? You can make mistakes. You don't need to know how to spell or whatever. Let's click on this. LinkedIn. Take your LinkedIn videos and can 100% do those for you. You can say, I can do 2 to 3 per day. However, I would love to make some free sample post videos for you. Shoot me a message with some raw content and I'll make those for you in the next 24 hours. Speak soon. Right. And then I love to use a P.S because look, guys, it's scientifically proven, scientifically proven that people will scroll through an entire message, but will read the P.S. So I would suggest that you put something that's related to him. So we can say something like, for me, I would put like, hey, well, I also make content, so I'd put my YouTube stuff out, right? But maybe, let's see where he's from. Where's he from? Where's this Donny from? Let's see. So this guy is from the United States. He's from Austin. Okay. I would say, are you from Austin, by the way? Question mark, right? In a few words, please explain your video editing experience. In this part, if you don't already have an answer, you can go over to ChatGPT and you can literally you can get it to write out the answer for you. So you can click on this, say, I have a client who's asking me this question on Upwork. What should I say if I don't have any prior experience? And then we're going to put the question that they have. Let's see. Then you can say, don't say you're new, say that I'm experienced. So again, you don't need to, use great spelling with ChatGPT. Right, cool. We can say that. And then maybe that's a bit too long, so we can say short turn it and use examples. Use examples for LinkedIn, but don't overdo it. You can almost like talk to it like it's like your, like your employee or something. Formal experience. No, we're not going to say that. We're going to use that one before. Don't say don't have formal experience. Yeah, we can say something like this. It's not that deep. They're not even realistically going to read it. Please share a link to YouTube video channel you have managed similar. Guys, honestly, dead serious. If somebody asks this question, you can just use mine. It's completely fine. You can just say you edited my videos. It doesn't matter. You're all good to do that. Please share a link to your LinkedIn profile. Just say NA if you don't have a LinkedIn profile. I don't have a fucking LinkedIn profile and I'm a millionaire. So what does that tell you? So then you're going to click submit a proposal. Oh, by the way, you also got to click as a freelancer and click submit proposal. Oh, it's deleted my messages. That's a shame. I didn't see this one. What is your pricing rate or model? I work on a per video basis. That works best. And then you can just click send. Don't use this boost section. It's not needed. So you're going to click submit. Essentially what's going to happen from there is that proposal is going to get sent to the client. The client's going to read it. They're going to probably reach out and be like, yeah, make me a free sample post. Make them a free sample post. Super easy. I'm going to show you how to make that in a second. I'm going to show you the exact video to watch on how to learn how to do it. And it's so easy. And you can do it for free, right, with CapCut. So yeah, they're going to reach back out. Usually they're going to ask for a free sample post. Make them it. Then you're going to get paid and you're going to land your first couple clients. These clients can be anywhere from like $400 a month. They can be $2,200 per month, which is one of the highest ones that I have currently. $1,500 a month, $2K per month. You saw me land that one on my YouTube channel, but that's the basics of it. But let's say they do respond, right? Because they will, by the way. If you send 10 a day, they're going to fucking respond, guaranteed, right? All you're going to do if they ask for a free sample post is take the raw footage that they have and you're going to download CapCut. You're going to download this website, or this app, should I say, and you're going to learn how to edit. Now, the way you're going to learn how to edit, right, is you're going to go to this guy on YouTube, and I've got to shout this guy out because he's an absolute legend. Because I literally watched one video from this guy, and I learned how to edit my videos, and it was one video. Joey Edits, Iman Gadzi, right? Click this and watch this video. Just this video will teach you how to edit on CapCut alone. Everything you need to know to a high level. And the videos that he wants are shit in comparison to the videos that we're talking about here. So if you can make him videos like this, he's gonna pay way higher. But these sort of videos are so easy to make. I learned how to do this in 24 hours, guys, and I never video edited before in my life, really. Other than my old videos, if you've seen like 4 years ago, but they're terrible and they're all in one take usually. So yeah, that's what I would do to land your first couple clients on Upwork. I know this seems like a basic training because at the end of the day, I've put out a full 2-hour course on exactly what you need to do. That's completely free on YouTube. I make no money from it. There's no affiliate links in there and so on. However, if you do want more one-to-one help, I would suggest that you reach out to me on Instagram and DM me the word mentor. And I would love to reach out to you because at the end of the day, I am helping people every single day land results. And, you know, it's funny, right? I'll tell you something more interesting. So I'm helping people land results, but for the last, week or two, I've actually had staph infection. I don't know if you can see this. I've had staph infection. So my team has been working on autopilot to get my students results, which is amazing. So even without me, I've got a system now where you can be taught for very, very cheap on how to land clients on Upwork and how to quit your 9-to-5 job, just like I did and just like the other 100 people have through this YouTube channel and through my mentorship. So I would love to help you at the end of the day. So just reach out to me on Instagram if that's something that you like. But again, you don't need to. The free course is enough. You can go through that 2-hour free course and that is sufficient enough for you to land clients on Upwork, 100%. And many people have already from the free course. So yeah. But other than that, Thanks for checking in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Speak soon, and subscribe.